Ang Upgrade Inilab is a nonprofit business incubator and accelerator. Based kami here in Davao, but we provide our services and support to entrepreneurs in different parts of the country.
Hmm.
So we basically help impact-driven, profitable, and scalable ventures from the build of the idea to the launching stage. And after we launch them, we also support the post-incubation journey of the startups
Hmm.
wherein our acceleration services, takes its space, parang
Ah,
ganyan.
in
Kasi,
one na, in one.
oh, kasi, but not all of the startups that we launch are able to proceed to the acceleration stage. Kasi
Hmm.
some, they fall out in the market,
Hmm.
and others do have like, special circumstances. So they might want to expand outside Davao and find other incubators to support their journey.
Hmm, okey.
But basically, we started all this support to entrepreneurs na incubator and accelerator support kasi we are from Mindanao, we're based in Mindanao, and we noticed the need for all these services to come along kasi nga we are kind of like a starting ecosystem for
Hmm.
startups. And we don't just focus, by the way, on startups. So we also support social enterprises, MSMEs,